everyone, just Damien. This is a follow-up video to the other night when I was talking about car insurance. Basically, Quote Me Happy phoned me yesterday. I was trying to upload my no claims online on Quote Me Happy, and the problem is that, like Quote Me Happy and internet companies like them, they don't deal with you over the phone. It has to be, you can only contact them online, which is a bit silly, I know, because sometimes you want to speak to someone face to face. No, sometimes you want to speak to someone on the telephone there and then. So they're owned by Aviv, and I think they're the same company brand as Aviv or Aviva. So I was trying to upload my no claims online, and it wasn't letting me do it. So I contacted the Facebook team, and they said for us to process your no claims, to protect your no claims, there'd have to be an admin charge for us to do it than for me to do it. And I got the quote. It was going to be an extra £13.72. I contacted them again and said I'm having problems, and they messaged me back saying there was a couple of technical issues, so they've fixed it, and they said try again. So I tried again, and that it hadn't fixed it. So they're contacting me. So I contacted them back and said this hasn't worked. I want protecting no claims on. So they said, because of the issues you've had and that it's not letting you do it, we'll process your protected no claims at this side, our side, without the admin fee, as a courtesy of goodwill, as I was having problems basically, which genuinely I was. I log onto my policy, and it says that I got 3 years no claims and everything like that. And I got a phone call last night, and they say that it's Quote Me Happy, and he said can we go through security procedure and general rules and that, like disclaimers and that. If you give the wrong information, it may validate your insurance. I can understand that they're like trying to catch you out or stuff like that. So I was honest, and he said basically Quote Me Happy only protect you no claims after 3 years. So I say to him, I have got 3 year protected no claims, and he said what had happened was there'd been an admin error. So someone in the admin department, some nugget in the admin department, had basically put my no claims down. It's 2 years no claims instead of 3 years no claims. So So basically, he said, as a gesture of goodwill, have refunded me the cost to protect my no claims, and it is sorted now. And I'm the only one that I know, as I might have said in a previous video, that can get refunded on insurance. The last 2 years in a row, and last two insurance policies that have started, I've had 3 refunds. One was £8.79 refund last year because I'd put the wrong date of purchasing the vehicle, and I've said in a previous video I don't know how that affected my policy because I purchased the vehicle in 2016 and all the start date of the policy was completely accurate, so I don't know how I got a refund for that. Also, the refund after that was for £20 from Hastings, as there was a few issues regarding the coming to the end of the policy, as stated in a previous video, that the on the renewal letter they put what I paid for last year as being a lot less than what I actually paid for last year's policy, and there also was another error as well because the auto renewal was on, and I did specifically say that I didn't want auto renewal, so they refunded me £20 as well, and quote me happy have refunded £13.72. So in the past year, since January last year, I have had about £42.51 refunds back through insurance. Which has been basically down to admin errors. Everything else on the policy was accurate, so I'm the only one I can know that can get refunds just like that. Yeah, I just seem to get lucky in that kind of thing. Honestly, I do. Can't remember the other times I've done it, but it's happened loads to me. We've made an admin error and we'd like to refund you so much. I think I put a complaint in at the bank once for a woman being rude to me behind the counter and explaining about disabilities and disability rights, and I got £50. Basically, I've lost track of, because of silly admin mistakes, I can get refunded. So yeah, if this video has helped anyone, I hope it has. Basically, what I can say is be honest with your insurance provider and hope that be honest with your insurance provider, and if they make a mistake, you may or may not get a refund, for being honest. That's all I can say really. Thank you and good night.